Okay, everybody, here's my review on this. Not saying it's the company's fault because the box was damaged in the first picture you see there. This is the second coffee machine. I did order two. The second one here I kept. I did return the first one for a full refund. It looks like I'm going to have to send this one back because it's leaking water no matter what amount you put in. It's still leaking. We have cleaned it out numerous times and ran the citric acid through it, and it still doesn't seem to help. The first use was, I'd say, on Christmas Day, and we don't use it enough that it should be clogging up, and I also let it dry out and open it every time. But after brewing this tea, this is what it's done. And I'm not getting any lights that state that there's something wrong. I've also tried this here on the top. I did call and leave a